y'all, this is Cheryl from Mantile. Today I'm going to be showing you our new online visualizer tool, the kitchen visualizer. So if you go to our homepage, you can see the online design tools. There's a kitchen visualizer and a bathroom visualizer. We're going to look at the kitchen visualizer today. We're just going to give it a minute to load, and then we can see the visualizer. This allows you to change different elements so you can visualize what they would look like before actually putting it in. Alright, so let's change the cabinets to some shaker style white cabinets. Then we can change the countertop. Let's do a Carrara look quartz. Alright, and now we can play around with some different backsplashes. So we can see what an arabesque pattern would look like. It's got some variation in it, so you can kind of see what that would look like in a kitchen. I'm going to actually see what a different one looks like though. Let's try this chevron one. There, you can see that. I actually really like how the chevron one looks like, so we're going to leave that, and then we're going to move on to the floor. Alright, so we got some different tile options to choose from. I'm going to stay with the white marble theme in this kitchen and choose that for the floor. Alright, so this gives you an idea of what you can do with our visualizer. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll check it out on your own as well.